Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Bilal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, today our topic is geometry construction. Okay, let's start the class. At first we read the stem. Creative questions. The length of the three sides of a triangle is A equal to 4 centimeter, B equal to 5 centimeter, C equal to 6 centimeter. Draw the three sides of the triangle. B number, draw the triangle with description. C number, if the included angle between A and B is 60 degree, then draw the triangle with description whose two sides are equal to A and B and the included angle is to X. A number, draw the three sides of the triangle. A equal to 4 centimeter, A equal to 4 centimeter, B equal to 5 centimeter, B equal to 5 centimeter and C equal to 6 centimeter, C equal to 6 centimeter. Now see B number question. Draw the triangle with description. That means you have to draw the triangle and write the procedure. Now B, A equal to 4 centimeter, B equal to 5 centimeter and C equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. Now we construct the triangle. You take at first any ray BD. From BD we cut BC equal to A. From BD we cut BC equal to A equal to 4 centimeter. This is A. A means 4 centimeter. Now taking B as a center, we draw an arc which is equal to B equal to 5 centimeter. Okay. Now taking C as a center, we draw another arc which is equal to C equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. Now the two arcs intersect at the point A. Now join AB and AC like this way. We join now AB and AC. Then ABC is the required triangle. Look, AB equal to B equal to 5 centimeter and AC equal to C equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. Now I will reply again the procedure. We cut off BC equal to A from any ray BD with center at B and C, radii equal to B equal to 5 centimeter and C equal to 6 centimeter respectively. We draw two arcs on the same side of BC. The two arcs intersect each other at A. At last we join A with B and A with C. Then we get the required triangle ABC. Now question number C, look, if the included angle between A and B is 60 degree, that means A sides equal 4 centimeter and B equal to 5 centimeter and between these two sides included angle x equal to 60 degree are given. Now we have to construct the triangle. We take any ray BD. From BD, we cut BC equal to A. From BD, we cut BC equal to A. Now taking B, we have to draw an angle which is equal to 60 degree. Okay, look. That means we drawn here CBE equal to x equal to 60 degree. Okay. Now from CE we cut BA. Now from BE we cut BA, which is equal to B equal to 5 centimeter. Now join A and C. Then ABC is the required triangle. I repeat again the procedure of construction. Look, we cut off BC. We cut off BC equal to A from any ray BD. We draw CBE equal to x equal to 60 degree here. Okay. At the point B of the line segment BC, then we cut off BA equal to 5 centimeter. Now from the line segment B and E, we cut BA equal to 5 centimeter. Now join AC. Then ABC is the required triangle. Okay, dear student, hope you understood my discussion. Remember that practice makes a man perfect. So you practice more and more. Okay, see you again.